Stop scrolling for a second. What if I told you you can get paid just for listening to music? No work, no skills, no investment. Just press play and earn money. Sounds fake right now? That's exactly what I thought too. Until I tested these apps myself. And in this video, I am going to show you real apps that actually pay, how much you can earn, and the biggest mistake the 90% of people make. So don't skip this video because you might miss an easy way to earn money. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to make money online using simple apps and smart method, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, because on this channel I share real ways to earn money, no fake stuff. Now let's get started. So in this part I can tell you how it works. Before we jump into the apps, you need to understand something important. Why would anyone pay you to listen to music? Here's the reason. Music companies and artists need real user feedback. They want to know which songs people like, which songs people skip, and which songs can go viral. So they pay platforms and those platforms pay you. Simple. But remember, this is not a full-time income source. This is a smart and side-time hustle. You can do it your free time. I can tell you 5 apps. First app is Correct Rewards. This is one of the easiest app to start with. You just listen to music and earn points automatically. Later, you can redeem those points into PayPal cash, gift cards, or rewards. Best part, you don't even need to actively use it. Just play music in the background, which while using your phone normally. So, second number app is SLICETHEPIE. So, second number app is Slice the P. This app pays you for your opinion. You listen to songs and write song reviews. The better you review, the more you earn. This is one of the perfect if you like sharing your thoughts, and yes, it pay real money to PayPal. Our third app is Playlist Push. Now this is a high paying platform, but there's a condition. You need a Spotify playlist with real followers. If you qualify, you can earn much more compared to other apps. Basically, you get paid to promote songs in your playlist. Our fourth app is Radio Earn. This one is super simple. Just listen to online radio and earn points over time. No effort needed. Just let it run in the background. Last one is Hit Predictor. Here's you rate songs and predict which ones will become hits. Big music companies use this data and you get rewards like gift cards and prizes. Now, this part is reality check. Now listen carefully. You are not going to become rich just by listening to music. Most apps pay small amounts, but if you use multiplication apps together and stay consistently, you can easily earn some extra money every month. Now, here's a pro tip with you. Use 2-3 apps at the same time. For example, run one app in the background while reviewing songs on another app. This way, you multiply your earnings without extra effort. So yeah, that's how people are getting paid just to listen to music. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more earning ideas, and comment music if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.